Hi guys, how to make hamburger. So few basic step. What we have here is mayo, patty, any patty naman yan kung anong convenience sa store nyo. And then yun lang namin minake sure yung medyo mas OA na burger. So we decided to na bumili yung pang hamburger talaga. And then we have cheese, mayonnaise, patty, and lettuce. Alright. So, yun. Makikita nyo na ito on how to build hamburger. So, yun guys. Okay na rin yung lettuce natin. So, later, yan. Makikita nyo dyan to how to create a simple hamburger. Okay guys. So, yan. We're almost done with all that we need. The burger, the lettuce, the dressing is either mayo, cheese, or mixed mayo and ketchup. So, yan, hindi na nag-gloves kasi sa amin naman to. Pero for safety, kailangan yung mag-gloves para malinis yung pagkain. Alright. So, yan yung trip niya, mayo. After that, ano bang need natin, misis? Nalagyan niya ng yun nga, dressing. Mayo din siya with, yan, alam mo naman, yung regular na parang pwedeng sausawan ng fries.
Hindi ko maayos yun.
Yan, dip. Okay. Last and foremost, yan, medyo nakalimutan niya. Sa likod niya pala ilalagay. The lettuce. Alright. Okay, taste test. Ako na ba? Tutok mo sa akin.
Wait lang.
Alright guys, taste test. Again, patty, any patty that you want. Dressing, perfect. Pag pinaride nga pala ni Mrs. yung burger. Taste test. Okay, solid. So yun guys, easy tutorial, click to follow. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please spread yung video natin and thank you sa mga subscriber. Maraming salamat. Thank you.